Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an easy back to school makeup look. So I'm going to actually start with the eyes. I have my eyebrows already done, so let's go right into the eyes. So I'm going to prime the eyes with my ColourPop Party Proof Eye Primer. I love this eye primer. I want to get more of these because I think this is the translucent one, and I want to get like the colored ones. I think that would be a little bit better for me, getting like a colored one. I'm gonna use my finger to blend in the primer. Then on top of that, I'm going to go in with my Jafra Cream Concealer. I like to go in with a primer first and then a concealer rather than just a concealer and then going in with a powder then an eyeshadow. Take the concealer and just put it on the lids. I'm gonna take my Beauty Blender powder puff thing here. I'm gonna use the sponge side to blend in the concealer. And then I'm going to actually set the concealer with my Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder. To apply it, I'm gonna use the Morphe Ariel brush number A14. This is my favorite brush to set the eyes and the T-zone. I absolutely love it. Really great brush. Okay. Now we're gonna go into the eyeshadow. I'm gonna use my ColourPop, what is it? Oh, Blush Baby eyeshadow palette. And we are first going to start with the color Koi. I'm gonna apply this to the crease. I knew I kind of wanted to do a pink look for this look. So this is like the perfect eyeshadow palette for the look that I had in mind. And the brush that I'm using to apply this shade is the Morphe Ariel brush number A11. Okay, and then I'm going to use this shade. I don't know what it's called. Come Hither? Come Hither? I don't know. Whatever. And I'm gonna use, where is that brush? I'm gonna use the Morphe Ariel brush number A20. I'm going to apply this shade right in the outer corner. And kind of slightly in the crease as well. Okay, for this look, I didn't know which shade to use for a shimmer shade. I didn't want to go too pink. I didn't want this look to be entirely pink. So I'm actually going to, I'm going to use the color Date Night, which is this one. And we are going to apply this right on the crease, on the lid. And with a brush in the inner corner, I'm going to take the color My and apply this to the inner corner. Actually got the wrong Super Shock shadow, so I'm going to actually switch this out. Okay, like I said, I'm going to use a Super Shock shadow. So I'm going to take the Super Shock shadow in Ritz and apply this right on top of the Date Night shade. Okay, really quickly off camera, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara and eyeliner, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I didn't really want to use any lashes because I definitely wanted to keep this look very simple. So now we're going to go on to the face, but first I'm going to kind of clean up. I should have done this before the eyeliner. That was my bad. Okay. Now we can go on to the face. I'm going to take my Jafra Royal Jelly Hydrating Radiance Primer. I'm just going to apply this with my fingers. This is one of my favorite face primers. I absolutely love it. Okay, next I'm going to apply my ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation. I'm going to squirt some of this on the back of my hand, maybe like 1 or 2 tiny squirts, and then use my Morphe and Ariel brush number A24 to apply this. Okay, then I like to go in with my Beauty Blender and just kind of press this in. Then I'm going to take my concealer, the same concealer that we used on the eyes. I'm going to apply this to the under eye area and any blemishes. And again, go in with my Beauty Blender. Then I'm going to set the face now. I'm going to use the more velvety side of the puff and take the same Maybelline powder to set the under eye area and the T-zone. And I like to take a brush to set the outsides of the face. And for bronzer, I'm going to take the ColourPop matte bronzer in Villa Beach. I'm going to take the Morphe and Ariel brush number A21 and bronze up the face with this. Okay, for blush, I'm going to take my Jeffra blush, powder blush in Rose Oro. I'm going to use the Morphe and Ariel brush number A22. Okay, now we're going to go into lips. I wanted something very, very simple for the lips. I didn't want anything too crazy, so I'm going to take the NYX lip pencil in Nude Beige. Then for a lip gloss, I'm just going to go straight into lip gloss. Oh, actually, first I'm going to take the ColourPop Super Shock Highlighter in Flexitarian and apply this on the high points of the face. Okay. I wanted to use a lip gloss or lip oil. I'm going to take the ColourPop Luxe Lip Oil in Chakra. This is from the Naruto and ColourPop collection. Last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my NYX Bear With Me multitasking setting mist. Okay, now it's time for the Bible verse of the day. I need to go to it. Okay, this one is Romans 8:6. For to set the mind of the flesh is death, but to set the mind on the spirit is life and peace. That was Romans 8:6. That was it for today's video. See you guys in the next one. Bye!